Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can register for your Vanguard mobile banking service. So if you want to get acquainted with different services such as checking your balances, monitoring your performance, viewing your account statements and messages, and also reviewing your employer sponsor plan and want to get registered to Vanguard, this is what you need to do. For this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Vanguard mobile banking app on your mobile device and then open up the app. As soon as you open up the app, you will land on an interface like this. That's basically the login interface. There you can see that on the bottom section there are different options such as contact us, open an account, and feedback. In order to start registering for your account, tap on the open an account option that is in the middlemost lower section. After doing that, in order to open a new account, tap on open an account. After tapping on open a new account, you will be directed towards an interface like this. What you have to do is tap on start your new account again, and now in order to begin creating your account, first of all you'll have to select how will you fund this new account. So select a particular option and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, if you're new here, tap on the continue button, and while you do so you will now be directed towards another interface where you'll have to enter certain credentials in order to register for your account. So here it's already given that in order to open an account you'll need your bank account and routing numbers and also your current employer's name and address. Now what you have to do is tap on the continue button after reading through all the information that is given to you. Then as you do so, wait for the processes to load, and the first thing you have to do is what will you use the account for. So tap on a particular option and then you also have to choose the account type for this purpose. So read through the account type, select a particular account type, and then tap on continue again. After doing so, you'll also have to give in certain more credentials, and as you enter the correct credentials, eventually you'll come to a phase where you'll be able to register to your account. So make sure that by fulfilling all the required information, you will be able to register for your Vanguard mobile banking service. I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to do so. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.